Today I'm hiking to the top of Vardåsen, which is a hill in Asker just outside Oslo. It's 349 meters above sea level and has some spectacular views over the area all the way to Oslo. The trip starts at the Vardåsen ski center parking lot, and I'm bringing my dog with me today. Hope you want to join. So we're now approaching the ski center, the only ski center in Asker with a ski lift. So far I've been walking on a nice path made for cross-country skiing, which is also lit up in the winter with lights. This is the part where we start the climb towards Vardåsen. The 1st of September and it's a beautiful weather. The sun is shining, clear blue skies. What more could you want for a trip like this, huh? So finally reached the first viewpoint. It's not the top, but it's a stunning view from up here. Okay, so from the viewpoint we still have approximately 800 meters to the top. Now we can see our goal for the first time. It's on top of there. In Norway you can find these blue paint marks on trees and stones and rock formations. They mark a summer footpath, and you can also see them on the signs along the way. If you find any red paint marks, they mark winter routes, ski tracks, etc. So that's nice to know if you're in the Norwegian woods. So this is Vardåsen, which is at the base of our goal. Our goal is there, and this is just at the base. It's a beautiful place to camp, put up your tent or hammock or tarp if you want to have a nice night outside. I'm breathing heavily. It's a lot of uphill. It's so nice outside. So, finally reached the top of Vardåsen, 349 meters above sea level, and what a stunning view! It's fantastic, especially in this weather. So beautiful. I think I should just enjoy the view for a bit and then start the descent towards the parking lot where we started. Okay, so we're heading down again, and the hike I'm on today is a round trip, so I'm not taking the same path down as I took up. An old cabin of some sort. Go. Spit it, spit it, spit it. Bra. The shelter behind me is free for all to use, but it belongs to the local school here. They use it for their outdoor days when they have school outside. So we're back on the main forest path after a wonderful trip up to Vardåsen. This path is also illuminated during wintertime for cross-country skiing. It's just a 500-meter walk down to the parking lot where we started, but just before we get there, there's been an incident this spring which I want to show you. This shelter is used by the local kindergarten. My oldest daughter actually helped build it several years ago. But behind here, a sad thing happened this spring for the second time in a few years. This used to be a lavvo, also in use by the kindergarten kids. But this spring someone set fire to it. So all that is left is a bunch of ruins. This is really sad. And we're back in the parking lot. It's been a beautiful day, nice weather, wonderful views, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.